Hey everybody, it's 11:58 and 42 seconds on November 9th. This is now the main drawing for the Swamp Thing 37 9.6 versus Constantine. Over here are the 18 filled spots. Those are the last two spots for the mini. Gabe won the final mini, so those are the first four available spots at the time. There's the spots from mini 1. Alright, so I'm going to roll the 3 dice. Number is only 4. Name at the top of the list. At the end of the 4th roll, we'll get the slab. I will try my best to actually get it out in today's mail if I have time. If not, then it will not ship until Monday, which I believe is the 12th. Actually, it's a holiday, so that would make it Thursday the 13th. I'll try my best. Alright, here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, and here comes the final one. 4, Brody Stokely from the Mini 1. Congratulations, time is 11:59 and